So the meatballs, I've just got some tiny, mini meatballs here, which I'm going to use the top of the flatbread. So get them fried off, cooked in the pan. So they're ready to go. Then we get the flatbread, tomato sauce on the top, and meatballs on the top, cheese in the oven. Cook it, lovely. Meatballs already cooked on the pizza, in the oven, out, and then we got a lovely meatball pizza. Thank you. Flatbread. Got another little trick here. I'm just rolling out the flatbread, and sometimes when you're rolling out pastry or rolling out things, or rolling out flatbreads, it can get a bit messy. So what I've done is to roll it out, I'm just putting it in between a piece of greaseproof paper like so. See that? So in the paper, roll it over, and then I'm just gonna roll out the pastry in the greaseproof. That way it's not going to get sticky, and we're not going to make a complete mess everywhere. Meatballs are going well. I also, at the present moment, I'm going to have to make a makeshift rolling pin inside of the cling film. So, okay, so inside, top on, and we'll just roll it out. Kind of spin it. Yeah. La 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 la. Got this song stuck in my head. Never heard it before. Heard it the other day. Now it's like, right, leave me. Okay. La 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 la. Got this black and white video as well. Which is kind of cool. Right, it's a flatbread. There we go. It's going to be a mini one. So roll that out. Get that cooked. And that's going to be my mini flatbread stroke pizza. You see, can you hear the sizzle? I can hear the sizzle. Okay. Then it started to blister there, look, where the heat's getting into it. Give it like 30 seconds, maybe have a look, and then we'll flip it over. Flip it over. Got the oven on. The oven's on around 200 degrees Celsius. So I've made the flatbread straight in the oven. Give it a few minutes, and then we're good to go. In the town where I was born, there lived a man who sailed the sea. So I'm just going to give that flatbread another like 30 seconds or so. Finish the tomato sauce off, and then when I'm ready to build the pizza, build the flatbread, I'm just going to come back, build it in the oven, come out, and we'll have a look. Meatball flatbread. Here's my flatbread. Here's my meatballs. So, can we see that? We've got visuals, visuals. Good. Okay, so, now. Okay, tomato sauce. Here's my tomato sauce, that was bubbling away. Thicken it down, reduced it so it's nice and thick. Saucy consistency. And then we go like this on here, a bit more there. Sorted. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to. Do you know what? I'm actually. Do you know what? I think I'm going to cut them in half. Should I cut them in half? Is that just totally wrong, or? Because yeah. That's what I'm going to do. I'll cut them in half. I wasn't going to do that, but now I am. So it's kind of meatballs. It's a ball, but it's cut in half, so it's a meat. I don't know what. Just going to get them nicely around. that. It's gonna be a lot easier to eat if the meatballs cut in half. So there we go. There. One more. On that. There we go. Nice little meatball, tomato, and now supposed to cheese. Oh, where's the cheese? There it is. I've got some grated cheddar cheese. Sprinkle it out on top. Nice little meatball tomato flatbread snack. That won't break the bank balance. So in the oven, it's going to take about 5 minutes or so. Oven's on about 200. Yeah, 5 minutes, and we'll come back. Cheese. Meatball tomato flatbread has now been in the oven for around 7.5 minutes. I will now take a look at the flatbread meatball pizza. Pizza? Flatbread. Pizza or flatbread. Pizza. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's golden, it's cheesy, it's meaty, it's tomatoey. It's hot. Now I've got to get it on the plate. Let's do it like that. Oh, there we go. Oh, look. Oh, do you know what? Do you know what I just want now? I want a little bit of oil. Go on the top. Maybe a little bit of chili oil. Chili oil. Okay, that'll be the next one. Okay. So there we have my meatball, tomato, cheddar cheese, flatbread. Now I'm going to cut it. So let's just portion it down slightly. Remember, it's really, really hot. Okay, here's one. I'm going to cut it into little triangles. There we go. Little triangles. Lovely. Okay. Back onto the plate. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Voilà. Merci beaucoup. Merci.